The second phase of a healing session is clearing and detox. Since Linda trained in crystal surgery, there are many new techniques and procedures.
It's all brand new.
Brand new.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Great. Cinema Verite, my favorite. We've reviewed the new detox possibilities, which you can view in Part B. And we've chosen a shungite detox plus common opal. Next, I will explain about the importance of clearing cords. So when clearing, there are two kinds of clearing you need to do. The one is clearing what's coming from the outside in, and the other what's clearing what's being built up on the inside that you don't want. And what's coming from the outside in, those are the cords from other people that they throw out and forget to pull back. They think of us, they throw out a cord, and then it stays, and their energy is mixing with our energy. It's energetically not hygienic. So other people's energy is mixing in with our energy. It can be confusing to us, it can be disturbing to us, it can be draining to us, and worse. We've got one more step before we can continue, and that is to put stones under her hands.
Oh, if you insist.
I do. Now, the big mistake people make is they put the stone up high here. Mm-hmm. But the third eye is actually here. So you want to bring the stone down between the eyebrows, like that. So see, there's the eyebrows, and that's where you want to place the stone. And you want to feel as if you've closed the shades of the window, and there's no light getting in. So you want to make sure that the stone is truly comforting the third eye and closing off bombardment.
So they can access.
So I'll show you how that feels. If we put it here, it's got energy, but it's not actually on the chakra. If we put it on the chakra directly, it's completely different, isn't it?
Yes, it's very nice.
Very much more soothing because you've closed the shades.
Yes. Be nice to meditate with.
Indeed. Oh yeah, very good. And that's what this is for, to help the person go into a meditational state. Exactly that. Good point. When I do decording, I like to work in a fan grid. So I start here. So if you picture a fan would come around like this. So I'll start here and then I'll pull the cords like this. So all the cords will track into the white opal. And because I felt that thickness at her eyes, I'm going to particularly decord this area here. Can you just push that into the bowl for me?
Sure.
Good job. Thanks. Okay, and then I did feel the thickness here, so I think I'll bring the white opal here, and then I'll fan. So I've done all of that area, so now I'll do all of this area in the fan grid. Can you clear that again? Thanks. Pressing the curled up cords into the bowl is like pressing out a spool. And then I will want to do more here because this is where the thickness was. Yeah. And this is, I think you should feel this because you can actually feel the texture of the cords coming into the, yeah, you hold this as well. I'll step out the way. Yeah. Can you see, you can actually feel them pulling in. That's right.
Much stronger than I thought it would be.
Yeah. And when you see the person swallowing and responding, you know they're getting a physiological reaction as well to the decording.
I feel like it's getting lighter now.
Yes. Yes. Right, so I'll clear that for you. You hold that one.
Okay.
Thanks. Whew, that was a lot. It was heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It was very strong at first.
Yeah. Until it cleared, and that's exactly right. Come do this leg while you do that leg. We'll work together. I like to start here at the knee and then go up and down, up and down.
How much pressure are you applying?
Down. And you can apply as much pressure as you want as a massage therapist. But if people are not massage therapists, I prefer for them to go just contact. So it's just infusion. But because you know what you're doing, you can go with as much pressure as you deem appropriate as a massage therapist.
And what if you roll the balls versus hold them still?
I find it's very hard. That it's like they're slipping away from me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So easy. Steady.
Yeah. So, and then I come down, and the main thing is to avoid the shin bone because that is sensitive. So you want to get into this soft tissue here.
Those muscles.
Yeah, you want to get into the muscles. And especially when we're dealing with emotion, you especially want this calf muscle here. A lot of emotion, it sort of runs down and then gets caught in this position here. And so you do want to get that to release and flow down and out. That's nice. And then I proceed to the feet. And
So much goes on in those feet.
And people's feet are, the toxins literally drop down and then the blood can't carry them back up for clearing. And yours are so nice and shiny.
I know,
and
this one is.
Yeah, and these are the ones that I use every day.
It's like a mirror.
Nice. And you can feel how this is getting her to relax. She's dropping into relaxation.
Mm-hmm.
From part of it is because of the feet, and part of it is because we've pulled the toxicity down and it's coming out. I'm just going to spray you with the rose water because the toxins are going to be traveling down and out that way, but I still want to protect you with a little shield here. So we'll just put you in a little cloud of rose water. Me too. Helpful. Okay. And then what we do is you're going to want to bring your hand from this side. You'll see what's comfortable for you, because you want that there, and then you want the garnet over here. So I would hold them like that with my hands. Yes, correct. And see, you want that coming through this way. You don't want it hitting your body. Yeah. And then here, so again, it's a nice garnet and a beautiful big Farden crystal. And so you need 4 hands for this.
Yes.
And we put that there. And there, that's right. So this is when you've got 2 people working together. You're going to have to remember to keep that open so that the blast can come through here. Good. It's coming down and out and away. Good. Right.
So this can be done with smaller.
Oh yeah, yeah. And we do them with smaller ones, but it's great for the camera too. So this point is working with these points here and working with what you're doing there. And I'm going to stimulate the detox flow out of the cells, down and out. Okay?
Okay.
Good. And you see I turn the wand to face into the actual tissue of the body. Because I'm working with the tissue of the body, I'm not working with the energy field. That's it. That's good. Can you feel it pumping out?
Mm-hmm. Steady
See, and again I turn the wand. Yeah, and then I don't have my bowl and I need to clear this. So we're going to pause. It is amazing to feel how the flow starts up the moment the Shangite one starts going over her, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's like flipping a switch. Woo! Nice and strong here over the organs of self. So definitely the right choice of technique when you can feel that response from the physical body as you go over it. I'm going to do a little scratching here because it was thick and responsive, and that's excellent.
It feels very strong.
Yeah, you can feel it pumping out. Yeah. Good. Excellent. And you, Jamie?
I can feel a big difference. Like I could feel like a flow through my knees.
Mm-hmm. And that's significant because the knees also get blocked up when there's too much emotional stress going on. Nice and strong here over the pyramids. Very interesting effect.
I can feel it in my heart chakra.
When you choose exactly the right technique, it's stronger. It's a stronger feeling, and especially the response from the person. So the response coming from Jamie indicates that the Shangite detox was exactly what she was wanting for whatever reason. So even her eyes, there was something here as if, when you have a tension headache, it pulls behind your eyes, and it was as if that emotional stress was pulling behind her eyes, and the wand is just smoothing that out beautifully. A little scritchy scratch, and another little scritchy scratch, and there we are. Great.